How to change display name in Gmail on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change display name on Gmail on Android phone. First, then open Gmail. Let's go back and first then just click on your profile here in the top corner, and then just click Google account, and then click personal info, and scroll down until you find this one, name. Until you find your name, click on it, and then just click this pen here, and here you can manage it. Just type any name you want here, and then click save. Let's type it again, and then save, and that's it. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.